we'll go ahead and just add some spice to the pot. Finish up the pot.
Full of flavor. The Pimento make it over the top.
Mad!
Nice. Smooth. Nice.
Nice, no man. Well soft, nice and rich. You know.
Str8yaad, big up myself.
Big up Scallion TV. The food was amazing. Food was 10 out of 10. Of course, one Str8yaad TV. One.
Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be making some nice, delicious, beautiful soup for you guys today. We will be making some cow foot soup with some chicken foot, guys. Okay? So stay tuned. Like up this one, share this one. This one is going to be beautiful, guys. So let's go. We're going to cook today. Str8yaad in the kitchen with it today, guys. So right away, we're going to go ahead and we're going to season up our meat kind, guys. Because you know when you season up the meat them always tastes better in the soup. So you know when you make beautiful soup, guys, you got to season up the meat, okay? So we drop some all-purpose meat seasoning, some Maggi meat seasoning for the chicken foot, guys. We're going to drop some pan. You know, we have special season that, and you don't have no MSG, so we always keep using it because it's a beautiful season, guys. So like we say, we use the spice meat season, we drop some pan chicken foot, guys, and we're going to drop some Maggi, you know, pan the chicken foot, season up the chicken foot, get a nice flavor, guys. We already go ahead and season up the cow foot, guys. The cow foot already have season on it. So now we are seasoning up the chicken foot to add in the pot, guys. And you know, pot have to start boil. So that's why we have the fire kicking right now. Get the pot boil up. Okay? So right away, I go cut up 2 little pieces of garlic on the chicken foot, guys. And you know, we are seasoning up and we like flavor. And the garlic help it to make it cook faster. Give it more tenderize the meat quicker. You understand the peeps? So we are stir it up. Make everybody get some. Season up the chicken foot properly. Just mix them up, you know. Make everybody get some seasoning. That's what we're basically doing right now, my peeps. We're seasoning up with chicken foot. Like I said, the cow foot already have some seasoning, okay? So like we said, that's our anti-Maggi. And that's our meat seasoning with easy spice, okay? So right away, we are going to drop in the cow foot, guys. We are going ahead, put in the cow foot. Because the pot are boil up, you know. And we have to put on full boil before we put it in. So we are going to put in the cow foot right now. You know where it go, because the cow foot, it's harder to cook, guys. It's more tougher. So you have to put in the cow foot first and let the cow foot cook. You guys have to stay tuned and watch what we are doing. So we are going to show you from step to step like how we always do. You know the cow foot is real tough, so it's going to take a time to cook, guys. So we are going to cook the cow foot almost 3/4 way before we put in the chicken foot, guys. So by the time that the chicken foot cook, the cow foot cook, everybody is ready to go. Just stay tuned. We have dropped 2 pieces of garlic in it. And you know we cow foot have to cook fast too, so we have put some garlic. Tenderize the meat, make it cook faster. So we are cover him up now and make the fire do the work, guys. So now stay tuned and watch what we're going. One Str8yaad in a kitchen with it today, guys. Remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys, if you haven't do so as yet. A lot of people think they have subscribed, they haven't subscribed yet. Guys, please to go on it and check it. Make sure you subscribe. Punch the notification bell so you get everything we got, guys. So look at the cow foot, guys. Boiling how long? You see all that richness? Now we're going to add in the chicken foot, guys. That's what we're going to do right away. Add in the chicken foot. This is what I'm going to show you. That's why we say we make it boil like 3/4 way, guys. That's almost cooked. Look at it. Almost cooked. So by the time the chicken foot to cook, the cow foot will be cooked perfectly. All of them going to cook together, guys. So them look at the cow foot, you see? Ready almost to eat. This is the time of adding the chicken foot, guys, okay? But you know the chicken foot are going to cook you now and finish cook out the cow foot now. And bring in all those beautiful flavor, guys. Guys, this one is soup rich. This one is not going to be normal. So, guys, try it at home. This one is very delicious. And it's a healthy meal, guys. Nice soup. Rich soup, guys. And this one, a lot of people buy it in the restaurant. You can might cook it yourself, guys. Just follow me step by step, and you will come out with a perfect soup, guys. So right away, we are going to go ahead and prep all our ingredients. In the meantime, look how we put in the chicken foot to cook now. So we are going to go ahead and mix up some flour, you know, guys. We're going to make some spinners. We don't make no heap of flour, you know, because this pot is just basically Irish carrot, chocho, you know, them things that we are cook today, and some okra. So we're just going to make a little bit of dumpling today, guys. Make some soup dumpling and some spinners. Okay? So we're not going to make a lot of flour, because this pot have to have a lot of rich, powerful soup, guys. So look at it, guys. Flour almost done. So we're done with the flour. See that little bit of flour cook? Yeah, it's like about half pound. So we have the pumpkin over there, so, and we have one coco there, so. So we'll go ahead and now, and we'll go prep everything, guys. Get them ready for tonight pot, because this pot is going to be quick and fast and very delicious. Even though the cow food take a long time to cook, but now we got him where we want him. So we'll go ahead, we'll clean up the carrot, guys. Cut him up. Clean up all our season them, all our earth season them. Cut them up, put on one side, ready for putting in the pot, guys. Okay? So stay tuned and keep watching the video, guys. And remember, give the video a thumbs up. It goes a far way, guys. So right away, we'll cut up the carrot. Cut up the carrot them. And get everything ready to add in the pot, guys. You know we do it already. Str8yaad TV. In the kitchen. So as soon as we cut up the carrot done, we are going to jump on for our next something, guys. So stay tuned and keep watching. Carrot have to cut up first. And we are cut up and we are so add. And as we add, we are going to season up. And you know we are going to almost done cook. And we are going ready for eat. So guys, we are going now and put in, or clean up the okra them now too. Like we say, we already prepped some of them. So we say watch out the okra. Put in one side on the pot. I'm going to show you all the ingredients that we put in the pot, guys. So that's what I'm doing now. Cleaning up everything, wash them up, put them together, and get them ready to go in the pot, guys, okay? So that's our beautiful okras. So them pretty, my people. Nice and soft. We have one carrot that we cut up over there, sir. Nice and delicious, guys. Try it this way, guys. You won't wrong. You always come out with good result. We have some scallion over here, so. We have some thyme, and we have 3 pickled garlic over here, so. We'll show you all our ingredients step by step. We have a scotch bonnet over there, so. That's what we are doing. Wash off sitting them, clean them up, and prep them, put them down to go. But we are show you everything what we are putting on the pot, peeps. So you can do it yourself, okay? It's not hard. It's not a rocket science. So, just try it this way, and you will come up with a perfect soup all the time, like I say. Follow me. You can't wrong. Str8yaad TV. Okay, guys? So right away, we are cut up with Chocho. And we are put him down one side. Okay? No, that's our turnip, guys. Forget that. We are putting with turnip, and then we are putting the Chocho now. So that white little something is we put in the Dutch pot right there. That's with turnip. Now we put in the Chocho, guys. That's the green one I just put down now. That's my Chocho. Okay? A rich soup we are cooking up, people. Rich, nice, and delicious soup we are cooking. See? Look at these vegetables, guys. These vegetables are very healthy, full of vitamin, enough energy. Okay, my peeps? So, we are going ahead now. We have one coco here we show you. We are cut him up and put him down one side, because we are going to add everything in our pot, my peeps. So just stay tuned. We're going to show you what we are doing and show you all our ingredients. Because we're not going to put no heap of food on this pot, my people. We're going to put some nice, delicious, flavorful stuff in the pot. Okay? Look at it, my people. So the kick. We are take out the pumpkin. Wow. We already went go ahead. We will put this pumpkin in it, guys. Which we never show you. A lot of time, we always peel the pumpkin, guys. You don't have to peel it every time. And you can just wash it and put it in a pot, mash out and bring up a nice flavor. Skin. It's much easier. So, see, pumpkin well. Show you one new style. So we are going to take out them pumpkin and okay, my peeps. Try that one. You can crush them. Alright, peeps. So we are going to take off the skin them and nice rich pumpkin flavor. We are going to take off the skin. I'll show you how easy the skin them is to come off. See that? Time you kill up yourself, we peel off the skin them, guys. Back in Jamaica, you know, when we are cooking it, you know, we always eat the skin them, because the skin them full of power, you know, but Up here we can't do that because them have a lot of pesticides, so we have to take off the skin them. And sometimes we eat the skin them same way. So, see that? Easy take off. Or you can just grab a spoon and scrape it out. I'll show you guys. Just grab a spoon if they give you a hard time and just scrape out it and leave the skin there. Okay? Like just like this, let me show you. Okay? Just use the spoon, scrape out everything out of the skin. And it's easy for you guys. Very easy. And we're just gonna mash it up. Mash it up. Understand? Yeah, mash it up, guys. And we're gonna add them back in the pot to bring up this nice, rich pumpkin flavor, guys. And you know, cow foot have good flavor now, people. Straight, rich pumpkin flavor. And you know, the cow foot bring out a bright, beautiful flavor also. So when the two of them blend, especially with the chicken foot inside of it, you know how it go. Soup here go nice. So that's what we are doing now, people. Get the pumpkin them ready. Put in the pot. Take out all of this beautiful pumpkin. Guys, this pumpkin is so nice and dry and delicious. It's sweet. You can just eat this by itself. If I was making soup, I would just eat it by myself, guys. Trust me. It's so sweet. Well, anyway, we are going to put him in a pot. So let's go and scratch him up. Get the pot ready and drop him in. Okay, my peeps? You're going to see how it look when we put it in here now. So right away, it'll go in. Look at those colors. Look at those flavors it's bringing up already, my peeps. You see that? From white to yellow. See that beautiful color? Yeah. That's how you achieve that color. Most people might wonder how they get the pumpkin soup, how they get the cow foot soup so beautiful, or the chicken foot soup so beautiful with color. This is the pumpkin, my peeps. Just the pumpkin. See? Look at it. Rich. This is what we're talking about. Okay? Nice and rich. And beautiful. Guys, I want to taste it when this done. You want to smell it? Smell all these flavor pop up in my nose and on my people. I go and check outside chicken foot and it look like a chicken foot ready now, people. Look like he's soft and juicy already. So I go and check him out. I go and test piece now. And if he cook, I go add all of my ingredients to my people. I'll show you so that one is quick and fast and nice and delicious and healthy. And it's not no long. See? Very soft, guys. So what I go do? Go ahead and drop a little salt. Because you know in fresh, I never add no salt in the water from me I cook. Alright? So let's add a little salt now. To get the flavor in the meat. You understand? So we do it. Give me one stir. And you know how we go here now, my people. I'll cover him up back and make the fire do some more work. And we are going to get the noodle ready. Because I want you, I go nice, quick and fast, my people. It's a different type of way I'm cooking this one too. Okay? And you see what I'm going to do? Like I always tell you, I make soup. We strain out the beautiful flavor out of the cock soup, guys. Noodles right away out of the cock soup. And we're not going to use the flour part. You know we do it already because we don't want the pot to stick and burn and give you a burn flavor when you make soup, okay? It's the best way to make soup, my people. Sieve everything out. You don't need all this flour in the pot, okay? Because the noodle is flour. And if you don't keep on stirring, it's going to burn. So what we do, stir out and take out all of the beautiful flavors out of the noodles, okay? And we're going to rinse out the part that too in the pot when we finish with it, guys. Rinse it out like. And throw out the flour complete. We don't need it. See all that beautiful flavor? Yes, that's what we need. That is what we need. All those seasonings that coming out of it. This is what we need, my peeps. See it there? Yes, my people. See it there? That's what we're talking about. Okay? That's what we're talking about. See how the pot look beautiful, my people? Yes, man. Pot look nice. So, right away, my people. The liquor what you see we put in there a while ago, we not put in this noodle yet, you know. We just wash out the strainer, what left, because we're going to choke the flour. Now we're going to add with beautiful earth. Everything now we are putting in the pot. With nice pumpkin what we left, and with scallion, with thyme, with garlic, with carrot, with Irish, with chocho, with okra, with turnip. We put in everything right now. Right now we are put them in, people, because the meat done cook already and the meat is ready to go. Okay, my people, we are put the thyme in the pot here now. You know it go? Put the thyme one side. We are dropping with scallion, just crush him and put him in. You know it go? Now we are give the pot a stir, my people. Stir up here so it look beautiful. Pot smell nice. So pot here go delicious now, people. Soup smell good. Now we are going and we are putting with seasoning. That's the seasoning where we get from the chicken noodle, guys. From the cock soup that we just sieve out. We are adding that now. See it? So we are seasoning up the pot now, my people. Season up the pot. Pot smell delicious. Boy, pot here go nice. And if you notice, my peeps, so we put the thyme in a hit, we don't cut him up. We just put him down one side. Thyme up and put him down because you don't want to eat soup and bite and stick, okay? So now we are going and put in some spinners, guys. Remember when we need the flour and put him down? Now we are going and put in some spinners. I put in some spinners, some soup dumpling, okay? And we are going to make some 2 little nice dumplings for you too. We're not going to only put spinners. We're going to put some soup dumpling too, okay, guys? I'm going to show you how to make some nice soup dumpling too. But for right now, we are make some spinners. And then we are going to make some nice little round soup dumpling, my people. Okay? And this pot here are going nice, you know, my people. So we don't want no heap of food in the pot, you know. If you notice the type of ingredients that we use in the pot, it's all natural ingredients. Okay? It's just the flour now. We are put some spinners in it. And then we are going to drop 2 little round one in it also. And then, you know, we are going to make the fire do some work, you know, my people. So see them little round one here, them we call the soup dumpling. Them we are talking about, okay? Them nice little round one there. Yeah, not too big, not too thick, just some little baby round one. They can hold in the cup, my peeps. Okay? Them that we call soup dumpling. So, you can try and make them one day when you make soup. They're very easy to eat. And they're very sweet. Because they're so small and thin. They're not thick. And they're not huge like you're making big dumplings. Okay, these are specific for soup, my people. Okay? See, we make your next one, put over them and show you that again. I think I show you that already in the next soup video. But I will always show you what I'm doing, guys. You know, I have to keep you posted. So you can keep on remember how to make these things. Okay? And guys, remember to like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to the channel, guys. And turn on the post notification bell so every time we drop a video, you're the first one to get, my people. A lot of people keep watching the channel and haven't subscribed yet, guys. A lot of people think they subscribed, they haven't subscribed yet. Please go back and check and subscribe to the channel, my people. I thank you so much for that. It goes a far way with the channel. Guys, now we are in my store because all the dumplings are in the pot now. The spinners and the little soup dumpling in the pot now, my people. So the pot look nice and rich. Wow. Cow foot them cook now, you know, my people. Chicken foot cook already, you know, my people. So just these little last ingredients that we put in now, you know. We are wait pan now, you know, for cook out now, you know. So when they cook, ready to eat. So guys, what you are going? So that's super pretty and nice. I tell you guys, have you tried this at home, you know. Try this one, guys. You're gonna love it. Do it the same way. You always get perfect result. Just like Str8yaad TV, guys. We always show you from start to finish. And we're not hiding nothing from you guys. And guys, anything you see we do and you wanted to know and you don't know, drop it in the comments. I surely respond to you guys. So we are dropping some pimento in the soup, my people. So we drop in a couple pimento there. Yeah, we have to have a pimento ball and get some flavor. You know we all about flavor. Str8yaad TV is all about flavor. And nice, delicious things in your taste buds. Yeah, that's how we do it. You know where you go. You know where you go. So guys, this one is gonna be a nice, delicious soup. So we'll cover up and now. Cover up the pot, guys. And we are gonna make the fire do some work. Look at it. Guys, look how beautiful this is, guys. Look at it, guys. We are going to serve you now, pot done. We are going to go serve up some food, people. We ready to eat. That's what we're talking about. Look at it. Chicken foot then soft. Cow foot soft, people. Nice and delicious. You don't want meat, that one, my people. That one is very delicious. Very much so. You saw the cow foot them soft? You saw the okra them stay? You saw the chicken foot them stay, my people? Carrot them soft. Everything in the pot is ready. Ready to go, my people. See how we make it? So you can taste everything in the pot. That's how I make it, my people. Nothing no boil out. Not scratch out. Everything is soft and nice and juicy. That is what we're talking about. So guys, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. And give the video a thumbs up. And Str8yaad TV, you know how we go. Up and running. We out.